Hi, and welcome back to yet another episode of InfluencerSoft Shorts. I'm your host Brent, and today we have a good one lined up for you. In this InfluencerSoft short, we will show you how to import shared funnels into your InfluencerSoft account. Now, why would you want to import funnels? Because it is a major time saver. Importing already done for you funnels is a quick and easy way to get your funnels off the ground and running without having to worry about creating your very own funnels. Now, before we start, you will need an InfluencerSoft account to be able to import shared InfluencerSoft funnels. Don't have an InfluencerSoft account, but want to try before you buy? Don't sweat it. There will be a link in the video description below where you can start your 14-day trial for just $1. So go ahead and explore InfluencerSoft. You'll love the integrated features, especially my personal favorite, the visual funnel builder, as well as a close second, the email handler / autoresponder. Now let's get the ball rolling on importing shared InfluencerSoft funnels. Step 1, log into your InfluencerSoft account. Now I have an account here that I've created. This is a fairly simple process. I'm just going to do it right now. And log in. Step 1 is done. That's it. Don't need to do anything else here. Step 2, click on the link of the shared funnel. Now keep in mind, this would be an InfluencerSoft originating link that was provided by someone who is sharing their funnels from their own InfluencerSoft account. If you don't have one, don't sweat it again. You can still test this feature out by importing a shared demo funnel that I've created and shared. Link is in the description below. Simply click on the link and it will automatically bring you to the import page. This is the link that I've created as the demo test, and I'm going to go ahead and click it up now. Now, step 3, this is the page that will appear where it shows you the funnel that you're about to import. Step 4, click on the Create Funnel button. The funnel will be created inside your very own InfluencerSoft account that you've just logged into and directly open to this new funnel that's been created. This will take a few seconds to do the creation process. All right, now step 5, use the imported funnel as you see fit. Change up the graphics, add more pages, change the text, pretty much anything. It's your funnel now. It's all yours to add your own flair, to add your own pizzazz, and obviously to differentiate yourself from the others. So once everything is completed, step number 6, all the edits are done. You're satisfied with your funnel and also the pages. Just don't forget to save the funnel. Otherwise, the changes will be lost forever. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully imported your very first funnel. If you have any questions about this process or would like to see specific content about InfluencerSoft, feel free to comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this type of short to the point tutorial content, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more of the same. That is it, everybody. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, this is Brent telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.